Everybody talks about trimmers and clippers, but the FX1 shaver might honestly be the sleeper out of the whole lineup. Alright, first thing people like about it is the feel, metal body, solid weight, and it doesn't feel cheap or plastic at all. Interchangeable battery system is a big reason why barbers are picking these up too. One battery works across the whole FX1 setup. When the battery dies, you can swap them out if you have backups. A quick note, the dock is for the battery only, not the shaver itself. You want to talk about premium, straight out the box, the black texture and the blue light. You press the button and it shows you the battery life on there. That red button is for that battery release. And let's talk about these shaver tops. To me, some of them are coming out cheap, but this one has been very durable. One cool feature is the swivel lock. You flip that switch and it locks the top. Performance-wise, this thing hits. Good power, smooth on the skin, and it gets close without feeling too aggressive. Personally, for me, I would have liked a closer shave, but it's still a great shaver.